You, what go on with it? It's your boy, man, SOG, student of the game, and welcome to my YouTube channel. You get me? Yeah, we're back at it again. You get me? It's the first day of the week. It's a brand new week. You feel me? It's a brand new week. I'm excited, bro. I'm not excited, but I'm excited at the same time. You get me? Right now it's raining outside. You get me? The weather is fresh, bro. It's a perfect weather to go to the gym, bro. You get me? So yeah, man, what about to do? You get me? I'm sure by the beginning of the video I put the video where I buy the account. I think so. If I didn't, I'm about to buy a 5k account. You get me? We're gonna trade it. We're gonna try again, bro. That loss that week, bro. The previous week before the last one, we took heavy losses. You get me? Never took a W. That's crazy. That's crazy, bro. And we took like about 9 trades, if I'm not mistaken. No win, just break even and losses. That was an experience there. You get me? But it's cool though. Right now, what I'm about to do, we're about to go to the gym real quick, gain the muscle before we come and make some money on your game. So that's the plan for today. Go to the gym, hit chest, shoulders, and arms. You get me? Then you're gonna come back to the chart and you're gonna look at the chart and see what you see on the chart. You get me? So yeah, that's the plan for today. With that being said, let's go to the gym real quick and we'll be back. Feel me?
I've lost in kickboxing, I've lost in boxing, I've lost in life, I've lost in love, I've lost in family. Like, life is, you don't just win all the time. It's wins and losses. So you roll with the punches.
Losing sucks, but in those moments, like when you're down, it's a great time to experience because like when you're winning, you can get this momentum. When everything's going good, you can kind of get in that groove where you're just on cruise control, But when you lose and the phone stops ringing and you're at home laying in bed going to sleep by yourself and everything, the dust settles, that's when you experience yourself, who you really are.
After the fight where I lost the title, it was almost like a weird feeling. People couldn't believe that I wasn't hiding, that I wasn't home crying, or that I wasn't sad or crying about it. Of course, I was disappointed that I didn't win because I put the work in to get the result of being victorious. It was a competition. This dude gets the best of me. It's okay. I'll come back tomorrow and I'll put it on him.
You back at it again. You get me? We're back home right now. So what we're gonna do right now is, I already did the annotation and whatnot. You get me? I'm just gonna explain what I'm seeing right now. It's Monday Pella. Don't forget that. Right now we're on the 15 minutes time frame, but we're on the wrong goal. Why am I looking at this one? Wait a minute, let me do this. Okay, here's the proper goal. This one you see is clean. That one is complicated. It has a lot of things here. This is where I do most of my annotation. You can see the new week opening gap, whatnot. So yeah, man. Right now, as you can see, we are looking at gold on the 15 minutes time frame. It's been selling. It tapped inside this. Is this a daily fair value gap here? It's been playing around here. It opened here. Let me go to the 1 hour so you can see some. But I think I'm about to take a trade right now here. You get me? Once this candle closes within 5 minutes here, I'm gonna take this trade. If it closes how I want it, I should have taken it here, but I was busy recording this video buying that account, so I couldn't enter here. But I'm gonna wait for this once to close. You get me? Once it closes, I'm gonna enter here. So what I'm seeing is price is been selling. You get me? Took out this high, as you can see. As market structure shift, came back below. There was fair value gap here and another one here. You get me? Let me go to the 1 hour and show you which one. Is it the 1 hour? Yeah, the 1 hour. As you can see, there's a fair value gap here. I didn't mark it out. Let me do that right now. This is for the 1 hour, it's not for the 15. This is an important fair value gap because it took out liquidity. It took out this liquidity here and this lows, it took it out. So the fair value gap that takes out the lows or the highs, liquidity, that takes out liquidity basically, is an important fair value gap. You get me? So I'm just marking it out. I'm gonna rename it right now. Let's go back to the 1 hour, the 15, my bad. Let's go back to the 15 real quick. As you can see, we traded above that fair value gap here. Right now there's another 15 fair value gap, and this one also broke this low. You get me? After breaking this low, it traded above it. This is a fair value gap. You get me? Trade above this fair value gap. Plus we have another one here. So we have two fair value gaps of the 15, this bullish one and this bearish one. So because it's already touched here, I should have bought here, but because I was recording the videos, no problem. I'm gonna enter my buy right now. Again, once I'm done with this analysis. So, but as you can see, the rules, you just have to follow the rules and whatnot. You feel me? There's logic between in what I'm saying. I'm not just, you feel me? There's logic in what I'm saying. Took out this high, microstructure shift. There's a bunch of fair value gaps here. He rejected on this one firstly, then came back a bit, broke this low, then traded above this fair value gap that broke this low. You get me? So the entry is about to come here. So that will be the end of it. Let me just quickly enter this trade before it moves against me, before it moves like it moves without me. You get me? But as you can see, I'm not rushing anything. I'm just following my plan and whatnot. You get me? But yeah, let me enter this trade, then I will just update you real quick. Here's a quick update you gave me. As you can see, no trade is running. We took our first loss of the account of the week. Even it's Monday today. You gave me 1% gave me. Took our loss, as you can see right here. Took our loss, you gave me, which is okay though, because remember, a loss taken while following your rules is a lesson, but a loss taken outside of your rules is a punishment. You get me? You feel me? You feel me? It's a punishment, that one. But yeah, man, as you can see, let's just review what we've learned. You get me? Why we took the loss or whatnot. You feel me? So basically, as you can see, we followed our rules and whatnot. You get me? But the market decided to take us out, which is okay. You get me? Right now, as you see, it's traded above, below this 1 hour fair value gap. I might use this as a resistance to go below, taking out this liquidity that it formed here, plus this London low. And as I'm seeing right now, the market is inside a consolidation from the London low to the London high. As you can see, this is the highest of the London high, lowest of the London low. So it's stuck inside this consolidation here. You get me? The market is inside this consolidation. So this might be forming what you call an AMD. As you know, an AMD is a accumulation, manipulation, and distribution. You get me? So basically, the market is gonna do a consolidation, which is accumulation. Then it's gonna break the low or the high, depending on where the market wants to go, as manipulation. Then it's gonna trade above it. Use a fair value gap here, a PD array, so you can distribute the market game. So it's just accumulation, manipulation, and distribution. So that's what I'm thinking the market is forming right now. So if it breaks this lows here, it might opt to go above to break this highs of the London high, you get me, and distribute above to go to this 4 hour fair value gap, you get me. So this is it right here, accumulation. Change the color real quick. Boom. Then we have manipulation. Change the color real quick. Let's say blue. Right. Then we have distribution. Change this to red. So AMD, you feel me? The colors might not be correct, but I'm just giving an example. Accumulation, manipulation, then distribution. I think this is what is for me right here. So I've learned my lesson, you get me, which is okay. As long as I learn something, it's cool. The market is inside the consolidation. It's not ready to take a direction here yet. So we just took our loss, which is okay. You get me? The important part is okay, we followed our rules. That's the important part. If I took this loss without following my rules, then it's not okay. You get me? So yeah, man, with that being said, I think this will be the end of the video right here. You get me? Appreciate your time and whatnot. I'll catch you on the next video. What I'm deciding to do, I think I'm just gonna record the whole week, then I just drop maybe on Saturday or something, or on Friday, depending on Saturday or on Sunday. You get me? I think that's how I'm gonna do it. You get me? So I can just make it a longer video, not just one video of 10 minutes per day. The quality wouldn't even be alright. You get me? Here I'll just focus on producing like a good content, even though it won't be much to do because my days are repetitive. Basically, I just go to the gym, come back home, look at the channel, what, you get me? But at least I give you a long video. That would be dope. You get me? So yeah, man, that's the plan for it. You get me? With that being said, thank you for tuning in today. You get me? I'll catch you on the next clip. You get me? Yeah. We're back with another video right now. You get me? We're back with another trade, as you can see right here. We took our trade right here. You get me? Stop loss 1%. Come on now. As you can see, 1% target, 3%. As you can see, same as usual. You get me? Right now you're running a smaller profit of $17. You get me? Nothing crazy. You get me? So basically, let's go to the chart. Let me show you what I was seeing on the chart and try to explain it real quick. You get me? So yeah, man, let me try to explain it real quick. So basically what I'm seeing is, as you can see here, the market opened initially here. You get me? This is midnight open right here. You get me? Initially it opened here, and there was a previous day low here and this low as well. So when it opened here, initially it went above, then went below, taking out these two lows. You get me? After doing that, traded above. This is a high here. Took out this high, creating a market structure shift right here, leaving this fair value gap. So price came inside, touched this fair value gap with this wick here, then it started rejecting. What on this 1 hour candle closed, this one opened, began to buy. You get me? When it began to buy, what I did was I went to because I couldn't wait another hour because of how it was buying. Basically, if I waited for confirmation, I would have bought somewhere. Right now I don't know where this candle is going to close. You get me? That's why I just went to the lower time frame. And reason being, going to the 5 minutes, because the 1 hour correlates with the 5 minutes, I think. So if you see something on the 1 hour, you can take an intro on the 5 minutes, or if you see it on the 4 hour, you can take an intro on the 15. You see, things like that. So I went to the 5 minutes. Let me go to the 5 minutes real quick. I removed the annotation on the 5 minutes to keep the chart clean, but I'll just show you what I was seeing real quick. Let me just do this. Come on. So let me just do the annotation, then I'll explain it, because right now I can't do the annotation while holding the phone at the same time. So let me quickly do annotation, then I'll explain it. So yeah, here's the annotation real quick. So basically what I saw market swing on this 1 hour time frame. This is where that wick did. It took out this two lows. You gave me. After taking out these two lows, it went above, taking out this high as well, creating another market structure shift on the 5 minutes time frame, which happens to be a breaker as well. You get me? Because a low high, lower low just turns into a breaker. You get me? This candle right here. So it came here, did this candle, then opened with this candle, went below to touch this fair value gap plus this breaker. You get me? Then it rejected. Once it rejected like this, that's where I entered my entry. Once this candle closed here, I entered my trade, my entry here with the spread putting me somewhere right there. You get me? Stop loss below this candle. Target, I saw this relative equal lows highs as well, because there was relative equal lows here, now relative equal highs here. So the market decided to, you get me, do that. So right now we swept these highs. If it starts to reverse, would I blame it? I wouldn't necessarily blame it, because it did what it has to do. You get me? The market is not obliged to buy until where I want it to. It buys and where it sees, you feel me, where it's necessary, where it's programmed to. Right now we can just, after buying here, you can just start to sell, go below to dig inside this one for a 1 hour fair value gap again, you get me, and it will take me out and I'll be done for the day, you get me, and which is okay. Or you can decide to buy, use this fair value gap that we are seeing right now that is forming to buy, you get me. Let me just do this, use it as a support to buy. Okay, let me do this real quick. Or use this fair value gap to use it as a support to rejecting here to buy, continue buying game. You can't confirm anything, you don't control the market, remember game, we just execute our plan. If our plan is showing up, we just execute that plan, you game, you don't force the market, nothing, you game. So yeah man, I'll just update you on how this trade goes. Right now we're just playing the waiting game, you get me. I've been waiting for this setup for mad long, you get me. I've even fell asleep one time, you get me. I took a nap waiting for this setup, you get me. Finally showed up, I just executed. Whether it's a loss or a win, it doesn't matter, as long as I waited patiently without rushing the market. Once he showed me my setup, I entered, you get me. So far we just running 13, so I'll just update you on how this trade goes, you get me. So yeah, here's a quick update Nyana, you get me. Here's a quick update Nyana, as you can see right here. We're running 100 Nyana, you get me, $100 Nyana, which is 2%, I believe. Yeah, which is 2%. As you can see, the trade is close to TP. You can see from here as well, you get me. So right now but it's late, as you can see, 9:47 there, you get me. And I think it's my time to, you feel me, close my eyes real quick, catch a breather nyana, because tomorrow we're going at it again, you get me. You get into the gym as tomorrow, so you have to recover a bit, you get me. So with that being said, I think this will be the end of today's video right here. We'll just continue tomorrow, you feel me. But before I let you go, and make sure you follow me on Instagram as well, bro, you get me. If you get me, you'll see the thing on the description, whatnot. Officially call me SOG, something like that. You can just check the description right there real quick, you get me. Follow your boy, man. I don't know how many, 21 followers or less, I'm not sure. It's been a minute since I checked, you get me. But yeah, follow your boy there, you get me. And don't forget to subscribe as well, bruh. And before I let you go, let me shepherd you with the word of the day, Nyana, real quick, you feel me. Let's see what Mark is saying. It's Mark 10:14. Mark 10:14 is saying, when Jesus saw this, he was he was indignant, you feel me. He said to them, let the little children come to me, and do not hinder them, for the kingdom of God belongs to such as these. You get me? Basically, what does that mean, bruh? How I take it is basically as innocent as children are, bruh. Because when you think of children, you think of innocent joy, peace, you feel me? Not knowing, believing, you get me? Hopeful, things of that nature. So what he's saying basically is the kingdom belongs to such, the pure, you feel me, the believing without a doubt. Because when you're children, you believe without a doubt, my bro, you get me. When your parents tell you, Rexy, tomorrow I'm buying you a car, you believe that thing, you get me. You don't question nothing. So that's the faith that is needed, you feel me. The kingdom belongs to such, you feel me. So yeah, that's the word of the day. That's Mark right there, you get me. And with that being said, I'll catch you on tomorrow's video, you get me. Just a continuation of this one, you get me. So yeah, man.
Cause I know we're gonna fight just the way that I know that the love is gone. Cause I know we're gonna fight just the way that I know that the love is gone. You take so alone to get back home. Cause I know we gonna Cause I know we gonna
Yo, we're back again with another one. You feel me? Yeah, man, this is something. I went to the gym today, so this is when I'm checking the chart. You feel me? After I come to the gym is when I prefer to check the chart. You feel me? But what go on with it? You get me? It's a brand new day. It's Wednesday. Yeah, today's Wednesday. You feel me? As you can see, the previous day trade hit our TP. As you can see, now let me move this. As you can see, it hit our TP during midnight open. As you can see, this candle hit our TP. You get me? So let me just show you on the phone real quick. Let me just show you on the phone real quick. So yeah, Mario, you see, you get me? If I had put my issues that I've learned from my previous trades, you gave me previous account. Remember, I was trading that 5k before. Right now it's a new challenge that I'm taking on. You gave me, I'm taking a new challenge on 5k, trying to grow it, see if I can pass phase 1 and 2, and hopefully buy a 10k, then a 1500. You gave me. So if I didn't learn from my mistake, I would have put the stop loss to break even, and it would have taken me out here before it can go to hit TP. You get me? As you can see here, it was close to hitting TP again, and it pulled back. If I panic, I missed a trade. I close here. You get me? So it's about learning your mistakes, my brother. You get me? So no problem. Let's go quickly to MT. As you can see, we up 1%. As you can see right now, you get me? Not 1%, 2%. We up 2%. As you can see, 150. That's 3% right there. You get me? We took our loss on Monday. Tuesday was dub. So yeah, man, basically that's how the trade goes. But it doesn't end here. Right now we're gonna analyze real quick. After analyzing, we're gonna see if we can catch a trade. But I'm already seeing a trade right here. But I'm not gonna force anything. I'm just gonna let it play out. You get me? So let's go to the chart and see if we can see anything on the chart. Analyze real quick. Then we'll take it from there. Yep. As you can see, we've taken our trade right here. You get me? Taking off trade right now. What is it? TP or stop loss 1% as usual. TP 3% as usual. You get me? So let's just look at it from the chart so I can explain why I took this trade. You get me? So as you can see here, market has been buying like from yesterday. You get me? So but it didn't take out this highs. As you can see, there's a lot of liquidity resting above this. It only managed to take out these two, but there's left another 2 and a fair value gap here of the 4 hour that needs to be traded in. You get me? So there's a 4 hour fair value gap plus this liquidity resting above here. You get me? So what happened is when the market opened here, initially it opened here, it broke the high of the previous day, retested on that high plus this fair value gap. You get me? We have a fair value gap here plus this high. You get me? A fair value gap plus this relative equal highs here. You get me? So that's what happened. It broke with momentum, like what you call displacement, came and retraced back. Right now it's looking like it's buying. So I went to the 5 hour, not 5 hour, what you call this, 5 minutes time frame, because the 1 hour correlates with the 5 minutes basically. You get me? Not straight, but like you understand, when you see something on the 1 hour, it's better to take an entry on the 5 minutes. You get me? So that's what I did, and it aligns with the time. As you can see, the time is inside London open, so I'm safe in terms of time. You get me? From 2 a.m. in London to 5 p.m. not 5 p.m. 5 a.m. that's the perfect time to trade. You get me? So it aligns with time and everything. So now let's go to the where I enter. But remember, I saw the rejection on the 1 hour. Me seeing the rejection on the 1 hour, it made me come to the 5 minutes. This is where I took my entry at. You get me? So as you can see, there was a lows here, broken. Liquidity was here, broken. This there was also another liquidity here. The lows, liquidity took it out, liquidity took it out, and trading inside this fair value gap as well. You get me? You traded inside this fair value gap, then traded inside this fair value gap, which is important. It's important to trade inside this fair value gap first before we can look at the entry, because if we don't use this fair value gap, we have to wait for it to trade above it. But now I'm explaining things that are complicated. Let me just forget this. Let's move on. So it came low, taking out this low here. With this, it's a small sweep, but it's still a low. You get me? That is taken out. After I did that, it left this high here. We broke this high, creating a market structure shift, retested it with this candle. You get me? Confirmation it was here. I should have bought here, but I was waiting to see how we're gonna reject on this fair value gap, because we have a fair value gap here. You get me? Let's not forget that we have a fair value gap here. So I was waiting to see if we're gonna reject. So we close again with another bullish candle. That's when I opt to enter my trade. Stop loss below this lows right here. You get me? Target 1:3 like always. So yeah, that's how I took the trade. Logic, you get me? I didn't take it off just to take a trade, but I took it off logic. You get me? Things have to make sense. Even if I take a loss, at least I take a loss meeting my rules. No, you get me? The plan is to follow your rules. If you take the loss following your rules, that is a lesson. But the loss outside your rules is a punishment. Remember that, my brother. Again, with that being said, I'll just update you how this trade goes again. So yeah, we're back with an update real quick. You get me? Check the update. As you can see, taking our price hit TP, you gave me on 3%. As you can see from here, you gave me. Right now we are up like 1, 2, is it 2%? Let me calculate real quick. $50, I think is 1%, correct? Yeah, so right now we are about like 5% up. You gave me. Yeah, we are 5% up right now. We took three trades so far of the week. You gave me. Monday we took a loss, yesterday a dub, today also a W as well. You gave me. So yeah, man, you gave me. You took the two wins so far and 1 loss. You gave me. Again, so I trade 1:3, as you all know. I trade 1:3. So when I take a loss, it's just 1%. When I take a dub, it's just 3%. You get me? So yeah, man. So far so good. You get me? The thing is, last challenge, but I didn't take any W, bro. That was crazy. But I was married to my buyers. You get me? I keep trying to buy when the market was consolidating. I kept trying to buy. You get me? So yeah, man, I was married to my buyers and whatnot. But right now you're covered. Right now, as you can see, we are flowing, man. You get me? No going back, bro. You get me? So with that being said, man, this just goes to show you, like, say, you don't have to change your rules. You don't have to, you get me, deviate from your plan or change your strategy. You get me? You just have to follow your strategy, bro. Even if it gives you, every trader will experience a losing trade, a losing week, a losing streak. You get me? You have to, it's how you deal with that losing streak that matters. You get me? As you can see, I didn't change my trading plan. I always aim for 1:3, but sometimes I'm gonna aim for 1:1, depending on how the condition of the market. I'm still understanding that part. You get me? But you don't have to change your strategy, bro. You just have to understand it's your time to face a losing streak. You get me? Then you bounce back from there. You get me? Don't let it deviate you and make you change your strategy and whatnot. You get me now, bro? Because you're gonna keep changing strategy if that's the case. Because every strategy has a losing streak. You get me? So with that being said, man, hopefully you're learning something here. You get me? Tomorrow is Thursday. You're gonna go to the gym. Same routine as today. You get me? I don't know how the market will behave tomorrow, because right now it's inside a 4-hour favorite gap. It tapped inside the 4-hour, so we have to wait and see how the market will behave inside that 4-hour game. So yeah, man, let's look at the that trade from the chart. So yeah, as you can see, we're on the chart right now. 1 hour time frame. You gave me 1 hour time frame here, as you can see. So the market rejected inside this fair value gap. We went to the lower time frame, we bought. I already explained that part, you gave me. But as you can see, the trade did hit TP right here, you gave me. And look at this, bro. After it hit TP, it reversed all the way to break this low. And here's where our stop loss was, you gave me. You could have taken us out right now, right here. So it shows that, bruh, trust in your strategy and whatnot, bruh, is very important, bruh. You have to backtest your strategy so that you can have trust in your strategy, you get me? Because here, when the candle was selling here, I could have decided otherwise, you get me? But I just stuck to, because it broke this highs here, plus it tapped inside this fair value gap, so it could have just reversed from here. But I stick with my plan, with the trade, and it did hit TP, you get me? So yeah, man, with that being said, this will be the end of the video right here. We're gonna continue this tomorrow. If we do find a trade, if we don't find a trade, we're gonna check on Friday. But Friday we might not trade. There's been news like this whole week, so Friday might be hectic. We'll just see, you get me? With that being said, I'll just catch you tomorrow, guys. I appreciate you. I appreciate your time and whatnot. You make sure you subscribe also, you get me? If it doesn't hurt anyone to subscribe, bro. But unless, let me rephrase that. Unless if it hurts you to subscribe, then don't subscribe, you feel me? I understand, bro. But if it doesn't hurt you, might as well subscribe, bro, you get me? So yeah, man, with that being said, I'll catch you all tomorrow, and I appreciate your time. Yeah. You go on with it. It's a brand new day today, you feel me? Top of the morning right now. It's looking cloudy outside, you get me? But it's okay though. Today's Thursday, you get me? Finna do the usual, go to the gym, get some reps real quick, come back and look at the chart, you feel me? The mentality is go gain some muscle before you come back and make some money, and you get me? That's the plan right there, bro. So yeah, man, that will be the plan, you feel me? As you saw yesterday, I took a 3% W, you get me? Today's Thursday, hopefully the market behaves, bro. You get, because hey, it has a tendency, my bro, doing something else, but that doesn't matter right now. I haven't checked the market as of yet, to feel me? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just check it when I come back, you get me? Yeah, just check it when I come back. We're just gonna show you the plan, nothing else, you feel me? So yeah, man, with that being said, let's go to the gym real quick. I just wanted to show you my face, you get me? That's part of the vlog. I just wanted to show you my face, because I can't just keep showing you chat, you feel me? You'll get exhausted. So seeing my face, maybe you get me? I just wanted to show you my face, my brother. So yeah, man, let's do that real quick, you get me? Go to the gym, come back, look at the chart, you feel me? With that being said, I'll see you at the gym, bro. No, I think I won't record the gym section this time, because it will be a lot of gym section. Or maybe I might just do 2 clips, and I don't know, you get me? But with that being said, yeah, man, catch you at the gym.
I have to go to work today. Change your language. I get to go to work today.
Yup, I've entered the trade right now, you get me? Enter the trade right now, the time is 11:41. Enter the buy on gold, you get me? Enter the buy on gold. Stop loss as usual, 1%. Target usual 3%, you get me? That's how I'm seeing the market as of yet. I'll just update you if anything happens. But before I do that, let's do it here. Let me show you what I was seeing when I entered this thing, you get me? Where's that thing? Where's the mouse, man? So I've entered here. Stop loss below this low. There you go. Target 3%, which will take out this highs. Yeah, let's target somewhere here, 3%. So that's what I've entered right here. You get me? So right now, let's break it down why I entered there. You get me? So basically, what happened? The market initially opened here, midnight open, as you can see here, midnight. You get me? So I marked this candle as a midnight open, which is MN open right here. You get me? So what it did is it traded below, creating a relative equal lows here. This one, and also this one. You get me? I can extend this thing to here if I wanted to. Then traded above, trading inside this fair value gaps here with this candles right here. You get me? And tapping inside this 1 hour fair value gap. You get me? Then it came below, break those lows here. Then it came above again to create liquidity above here. As you can see, it's liquidity here, relative equal highs. You get me? Then it traded below, use this fair value gap to go below. You get me? Breaking this low, liquidity has been taken out on the lower side. This one, you get me? This one as well, leaving this 1 hour, this 15 minutes fair value gap. If I go to the 15, there's a fair value gap there. Let me show you. There's a fair value gap here. So we went below to take out the previous day high as well. You get me? With the smaller and a weak married day, leaving this fair value gap. And remember, like I always told you, the fair value gap that breaks a low or a high is a important fair value gap in a way. You get me? So what happened is price traded above it, taking out this high, creating a market structure shift. You get me? Came back, leaving this fair value gap here, entered inside this fair value gap, showed a rejection here. You get me? Went to the 5 minutes time frame. Is it the 5 here? The 5 is the 5. You can see broke this high as well in here, creating a market structure shift as well in the 5 minutes. You get me? Traded inside this fair value gap, rejected. The bodies are respecting this candle, and also this week tapped inside this smaller fair value gap here that broke this low. You get me? Then it traded above, closed above this. The important part is it closed above this 5 minutes fair value gap. That's why I entered. If it didn't close, I would have waited for another candle, but because it closed above, that's why I waited. Right now I entered here. It left another fair value gap, as you can see here. We're gonna see how it reacts on this fair value gap again. So yeah, basically that's what I saw. You get me? That's why I entered. Stop loss right here below the low. Then target 1:3. You get me? There's a bunch of fair value gaps on the 4 hour. Is it the 4 hour or the 1 hour? Let me just show you real quick. The 4 hour here, there's fair value gaps here. So I intend price maybe to come after breaking this highs here, to come to tap inside this 4 hour fair value gap. You get me? So yeah, man, basically that's what I'm seeing right now. And as I'm explaining here, if the price doesn't respect this fair value gap, it means it might trade below this fair value gap and use it as a resistance, this 5 minutes fair value gap. Then it might go low to create another low. You get me? Let me show you what I mean. If it doesn't respect this, it might do something like this, then use this as to create another low. Then it can be buy from there. You get me? Something like that. If it doesn't respect this, you get me? So yeah, man, I'll just update you how this trade goes. So far we just did break even, as you can see from here. You get me? Yo, here's a quick update. Nyana took a L on our trade. You get me? Took a 1% L right here. You get me? Which is not a problem. Let's look at it here from here. You get me? Look at this, bro. Like I told you, this thing might come here just for it to buy. You get me? And look at this, bro. Hit TP straight at the TP, like without hesitation, bro. You feel me? But we took our L, which is okay. You feel me? Let's go to the 5 minutes and see so you can see properly what I was telling you about in the 5 minutes. I told you if this candle this doesn't hold, what is gonna do. But eventually it did hold, but it ended up doing what I said it's gonna do, you feel me? Which is okay though, you get me? Now we just continue, we just move on. Today's Thursday, tomorrow's Friday. I don't think I'm gonna trade. So with that being said, I think this will be the end of the video right here, you get me? I'm cooking a vlog right now which is gonna be 30 minutes long, you get me? So yeah man, let me end it right here. I don't want this to drag, but let me just end it right here, you get me? Appreciate your time and everything. So recap of the whole week: we took we took 2 L's. It took 2 L's and 2 W's, and the account is at 4%, which is a good thing, you get me? It means next week we're gonna be looking for 4% again, just to pass the account, you get me? So let me just journal this trade, and I'll see you all on next week's video, you get me? I appreciate you, appreciate it.